Are you ready to start earning money while you sleep in 2025? Whether you're saving for a dream vacation or planning for financial freedom, passive income is the way to go. In today's video, I'll reveal the best beginner-friendly passive income streams that are perfect for this year and beyond. Let's make 2025 the year you take control of your finances. Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the best tips and strategies to build wealth and create financial freedom. If you're a beginner looking for simple, effective, and trending passive income ideas for 2025, you're in the right place. These strategies are easy to start and can generate consistent income over time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive right in. 1. Invest in dividend-paying ETFs. First on the list, dividend-paying ETFs. These funds pool your money with other investors to invest in dividend-paying stocks, giving you a steady cash flow. The best part? They're beginner-friendly and don't require you to pick individual stocks. Apps like Robinhood or Vanguard make it simple to get started. With the right ETF, you can start earning passive income right away. 2. Create a low-maintenance YouTube channel. Next up, YouTube. Don't worry, you don't need fancy equipment or millions of views to make money. Focus on creating evergreen content, like tutorials, reviews, or how-to videos that people will watch for years. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It's the gift that keeps on giving. 3. Rent out your space with Airbnb. Do you have extra space? Listing it on Airbnb is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. Whether it's a spare bedroom or a vacation home, short-term rentals can generate hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars each month. Pro tip: add small touches like free coffee or local recommendations to keep your guests happy and your calendar booked. 4. Start a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start an online business. You create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and platforms like Printful handle the printing and shipping for you. With a little marketing effort, this can become a steady source of income. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Want to invest in real estate but don't have the capital for a property? Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise let you invest as little as $500 into large-scale real estate projects. You earn passive income from rental payments and property appreciation, all without the hassle of being a landlord. 6. Sell digital products on Etsy. Selling digital products on Etsy is a game-changer for beginners. Create and sell things like printables, templates, or digital art. The beauty of digital products is that you make them once, and they can be sold infinitely with no inventory or shipping to worry about. With a great design and a little SEO, your shop can thrive. 7. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Recommend products or services you love and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You can use platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale to find products that match your niche. This works great with a blog, YouTube channel, or even your social media. 8. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is another great passive income idea for beginners. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper let you loan money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. With the right approach and some diversification, you can earn steady returns over time. 9. Publish an ebook. If you have a story to tell or knowledge to share, publishing an ebook is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to sell your book to a global audience. Once it's live, you can earn royalties for years with little effort. 10. Create an online course. Finally, creating an online course is one of the most profitable passive income streams. Teach something you're passionate about, like photography, fitness, or coding, and upload it to platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Every time someone enrolls, you get paid, and your course can keep earning for years. There you have it, the best passive income streams for beginners in 2025. Whether you choose to invest, create, or rent, there's a strategy here for everyone. Remember, passive income isn't about overnight success. It's about building streams that grow over time. Which idea are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build wealth this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.